Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an antenna. It's very simple, right at home. Are you ready to start yet? Take time to understand each step. If you have trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the subscribe button to support me. It's great to see your support. Now, drill those nails into the prepared wood. That's where the signal is. Please use this pin. Put those pins in the nails. Let it go back out. Now hold on tight. Make sure those pins don't wobble. Now take out the copper wire. And threading through the pins. Wrap the copper wire. Let's wrap it up and look like that. This process is very important, so don't miss it. Cut out the excess. On the other side, we will do the same. And when we're done, let's start making connectors. With TV. This connector is essential to connect. Use insulating tape to wrap it tightly. Next, let's cut off the outer shell and use the copper core inside. This is the connection between the antennas, with a wire to connect to the television. You have two green and red wires. Cut off two heads. Use copper core inside. Connect the wires to the copper wires. And the other end will also connect to antenna wire. Use adhesive tape to secure. Don't let the copper wire out. Now, let's make a bracket for that antenna. Fix it with adhesive tape. Let's start the experiment now. Before, put the antenna in. It has no waves. Now, I'm going to connect that antenna to the television. Turn on the TV and see the results. It's amazing, isn't it? Let's find other channels. This tool is very useful. How many more channels can you catch? Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to a channel to support me, and share so that many people know this trick. I wish you success. See you in the next videos.